Hi, I'm Dan from Total Restoration Services, and today we're going to take a look into a very important topic for homeowners in Wisconsin, ice dams. It's the second week of December here in Wisconsin, and it is important we touch on this now, before ice damming on your roofs sets in or gets totally out of hand. Let's get into it. As the cold sets in, winter progresses, and the snow and fluctuating temperatures make their way into the winter months. Ice dams can become a serious concern for many of us. So, what exactly are ice dams? Why do they form? What can we do to prevent them? And of course, how Total Restoration Services can help you keep your home safe from these wintertime nuisances. Ice dams are essentially thick ridges of ice that form along the eaves of your roof. They occur when heat from your home escapes into the attic, warming the roof and causing snow to melt. The melted water trickles down the roof, but as it reaches the cooler edges, it refreezes, forming an ice dam. Over time, these dams can grow larger and cause serious damage, including water leaking into your home, damaging your insulation, drywall, ceilings, and even your siding. This becomes an especially significant issue for homes here in Wisconsin, where we experience heavy snowfalls and fluctuating temperatures, creating the perfect conditions for the ice dams to form. Now, you may be wondering, why do ice dams show up in the first place? Well, the primary cause is poor roof ventilation and insulation. Without proper insulation in the attic, heat from the living spaces below can escape into the attic, warming the roof surface. Even in freezing temperatures, the heat can cause snow on the roof to melt. The water then moves down towards the eaves where it refreezes. If there's inadequate ventilation, this process is just exasperating, as the roof temperature doesn't remain consistent throughout. Another factor contributing to ice dams is the quality of your gutters and downspouts. When gutters become clogged with leaves, twigs, and debris, water cannot drain properly, which can lead to ice buildup at the eaves. This trapped water then contributes to the forming of ice dams. So how can we prevent these troublesome ice dams? Prevention begins with proper attic insulation and ventilation. Insulating your attic can help keep the warmth from escaping into the roof space, which reduces the likelihood of melting snow and ice buildup. Additionally, improving ventilation in your attic helps maintain a more consistent temperature on your roof, which can prevent snow melt in the first place. If your gutters are clogged with debris, cleaning them regularly is crucial to preventing water buildup that can lead to ice dams. We discussed this topic twice in November. Another option is to install a roof de-icing system. Now, these systems use heat cables to melt snow and ice on your roof, preventing the formation of ice dams. It's also essential to check the areas around your roof's edges, as any gaps or cracks in your roofing materials can allow warm air to escape and contribute to the ice damming process. At Total Restoration Services, we understand the challenges that ice dams can cause, and we're here to help you. Our team of experts can assess your roof, attic, and insulation to identify areas where heat might be escaping. We can also help you install or repair proper ventilation systems to ensure that your home is adequately protected. If you already have ice dams causing damage to your roof or home, we offer solutions to safely remove the ice and prevent further damage. Our comprehensive services extend to inspecting your gutters, checking for debris buildup, and ensuring that they're working properly to allow water to flow freely. With winter right in front of our nose, it is never too early to have your roof and attic inspected to prevent these ice dams from affecting your home. If you're in Wisconsin and are worried about ice dams this winter, reach out to Total Restoration Services. We've got the expertise to help you stay ahead of winter's challenges and keep your roof in tip-top shape. Before we wrap up, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on maintaining your home year-round. Like this episode if you found the information helpful, and don't forget to share it with friends and family who might also benefit from learning more about ice dams and how to prevent them. We've got more content coming your way 3 times a week, so stay tuned. Thanks for listening, and remember, when it comes to protecting your home from ice dams this winter, Total Restoration Services is here to help you. Take care and stay safe out there. Call me for all your total restoration needs. We are open year round.